Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Yolanda Monique, and as you can tell from the title, I am sharing with you my Boxycharm premium box for the month of August. It came really late. I got my August premium and my August base box. So if you want to see my base box, I think I'm going to upload that first. Check the cards or the link below and I will include my base box. So for this one, I'm going to share with you my premium. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you all know, the premium has the blue background and I have the card. Again, I'm not 100% sure what the theme is. It could be glamping. I'm assuming glamping, but since it has like the marshmallows and everything, that could be it. Premium is the second tier at Boxycharm. This box costs you $35. You will get 5 to 6 items, and it's supposed to be a little higher end in the products. The value is supposed to be over $150. And so in this box, you get to choose one item from a list of products. So let's get started. First thing I see is a lot of things I'm liking, a lot of things I'm like, I'm going to go ahead and show you my choice item first. I chose the SundayRaleigh High Dose Retinoid Serum. And I thought they weren't going to put it in the box, but it came in the box. I'm so excited that they actually kept the original box. And this is it right here. Looks amazing. So I'm going to read this to you while you look at this. SundayRaleigh A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum is an advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanicals, retinoid alternative extracts onto the skin. MSRP is $85. So automatically this is way more than the cost of the box, and I'm so excited. This was also in the pop-up and I did purchase this. I already got my pop-up order. Let me know if you want to see what I got in pop-up. So I spent more than I should have. So the next thing that I see in here is a Too Faced item, and if you saw my base box, you know I got something there too. So this was a shocker to me because I hadn't heard that this was part of the spoilers until like last week, and then I was like, oh, wait a minute. So this is the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, and this is really nice. As I've always said, Too Faced does amazing packaging. And this one is in translucent. They do have this where you have medium and deep tone. I almost purchased the deep tone, but then I was kind of holding off on it because kind of mixed feelings about Too Faced. But I have a lot of Too Faced products because of Boxycharm. So the Too Faced Born This Way Setting Powder is a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you're born this way. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. MSRP is $33. So, like I said, they're amazing with their packaging. It does have a protective protective cover. Yeah, cover is probably the better word. It does not come with a sponge or a brush, so that's something. And it does have a little heart right there. So first I want to swatch it with my finger, and then we'll swatch it with the brush. So this is going straight down with it, and I'm going to blend this out. I always set my powder with a spray, so it kind of eliminates the ashiness. And then I'm going to tap the rest of it with a powder brush. So right here you can see it, and it's because I just kind of rubbed it in with my finger. But right next to it you can't see it, and I use a brush. So I'm looking forward to trying this, and I might actually do a Too Faced look now that I have an actual powder. This I don't know, and this looks like it's been kind of squashed. Yeah, it looks like it's been squashed a lot. So this is the SlipOn Exfoliator, organic, biodegradable, vegan, so that's good. And so I gotta tell you, let me read what this is. After Spa SlipOn Exfoliator is a self-exfoliant which cleanses the body, removes dead skin cells that need to be carefully removed. MSRP is $18. So they're basically saying, based off the photo and instructions, you slip it over your hand and use it to exfoliate your body. How long is this good for? So it doesn't tell you how long it's good for, I guess, until you feel like you can throw it away, but at least it's biodegradable. So that's a good thing. I'll put this in the shower and I'll let you know what I think about it. So I guess that would fall under skincare, but it would be more like skincare for the body and not for the face, because I don't think I would feel comfortable using that on my face. The next thing that I have is a MAC cream lipstick, and it is in the shade Velvet Vogue. I love MAC. I have quite a few MAC lipsticks myself. I love their bullet. So this is not a shade that I would normally get for myself. So here it is right here. Oh, it's kind of on the sheer side, but you can build it up. That's with 3 slides or swatches. It's kind of a corally, it's like coral and a light red kind of blended together. I'll have to definitely try and see if I can do a lip look with it. So this is the Amplified Lipstick from MAC, an ultimate creamy lipstick formula with a smooth glide, bold color payoff, full coverage, and a semi-luxurious finish. MSRP is $19. I am a huge fan of MAC. I have quite a few MAC products. MAC was the first brand that I purchased from, high-end brand that I purchased from. So I have a deep affinity for MAC. So this is a primer. I'm not going to open this because I'm already using my Blink primer. But this is from Laura Geller. It does say it's a black primer. So this will be my second black primer. And let's see what it says. Laura Geller Fortifying Lash Primer. The creator of the spackle and expert in primers introduces the newest innovation in priming your lashes. Unlike other white colored lash primers, this black tinted formula blends with your mascara or can be worn alone as a natural lash look. MSRP is $24. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Right now, like I said, I'm using the Blink primer. And as soon as I finish using that one, I will definitely give this one a try. And the last product in here is my Ciate London Don't Let Me Blind You with the packaging. It's an eyeshadow palette. And I've got quite a few things. Mostly I have powders from Ciate London. Powders, and I have a blush and a highlighter. So this will be my first eyeshadow. So it looks cute. The outside of it looks really cute. It's pink with like a blue pattern that's banana leaves. Here is the inside. Those are gorgeous. Not trying to blind you. So let me swatch a few shades. So I just did the shades right around that lipstick. So you can see some of them are amazing. The mattes barely show up. Like literally I have a matte shade right here across my knuckles. You can't even see it. And then this right here is a matte shade. So that one looks pretty good. The brown, granted, it's not exactly my skin tone, but there it is. Now you can see it. But see, there you couldn't. So there it is right there. The shimmers, amazing color payoff. The mattes, you'll have to build those up. So let me read to you about this while you look at those colors. Ciate London New England Editor's Palette. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumn hues. Mix and match the metallics, glitters, and matte for effortless hazy eye looks. MSRP is $32. So I definitely will give this a try. So far, the things I've gotten from Ciate London, I've been pretty impressed with them. So for this box, being my premium box, I have an eyeshadow palette, I have a powder, I have a lash primer, which can be used as a mascara, I have a lipstick, I have 2 skincare. One is a body scrub, and then the other skincare is the Retin A serum from SundayRaleigh. So majority of it was makeup, which I'm okay with, and then we have the 2 skincare right here. So I actually think I have a really good box, and so far everything here I will definitely keep. I won't give away, at least right now, but I'm definitely excited about this box. To find out the total cost of this box, I'm going to place it either right here or right here because I haven't calculated it yet. But I'm definitely looking forward to it, and I can definitely see myself mixing the premium and the regular base box for an amazing look. So stay tuned for that. Thank you again for staying with me and watching my video and watching what I received from Boxycharm. I actually think Boxycharm is one of those subscription boxes that you actually get a bang for your buck. in the long run. Someone told me that they felt like they weren't getting a really good box. I'm like, not every box is going to be a hit, but overall every box is going to introduce you to some pretty amazing products. So I'm happy with my boxes overall. Thank you again for watching my video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and I hope you all stay safe and have a blessed week. Bye.